Pollution is a human interaction due to people littering in the ocean. Pollution is known to affect the coral's appearance and changes the environment's formation. Not only that, but it affects the sea creatures and their well-being. We can prevent the issue of pollution from occurring by closing off a boundary to disable the access to all boats and people, due to them being a threat to the cause of pollution. Global warming is another human interaction due to the small particles we produce and release, such as greenhouse gases, aerosols, and cloudiness. This also contributes to the effect of the coral's appearance, due to it bleaching the coral. We can prevent the issue of global warming slightly by having these small particles and chemicals kept a good distance away from the area of the Great Barrier Reef, which may ever so slightly minimize the increase of global warming.
The Great Barrier Reef is a major tourist attraction, but as more and more tourists come, they begin to touch and break the fragile coral, which is slowly killing the reef. This is a major issue that must be stopped. The reef is said to be dead in 20 years if this continues to happen. A small solution to tourists killing the reef is to make the price a lot higher for people to scuba dive or snorkel in the Great Barrier Reef. This will hopefully make people swim less in the reef and will leave less people ripping out pieces of coral and harming other flora and fauna. Other ways to stop people is by having more tourist guides to stop the tourists from hurting the coral. Another way the reef is being damaged by humans is through fishing. Fishermen come to the reef and catch fish only to sell or eat them. The fishermen are not only killing the wildlife, but could also be damaging the coral by hooking onto it. There is a very simple solution to this problem, that is fishing. The solution is people are not allowed to fish at the reef. There are other ways also, such as sectioning off small parts that have less coral so people can fish there.
A food web is a series of food chains showing the cycle of life. It shows the connection between predators and prey. This is an example of a food web from the Great Barrier Reef. This shows the different levels of the food web: the quaternary consumers, the tertiary consumers, secondary consumers, primary consumers, and the producers. The producer is the autotrophs, and the rest of the consumers are all heterotrophs.